Imagine taking something as ordinary as a plastic water bottle and turning it into a portable power bank that can charge your phone anywhere. The concept is simple DIY electronics combined with recycling, creating a small and creative energy storage device. First, you start with a clean, empty plastic water bottle. It is important that the bottle is fully dry and intact before modifying it. This bottle will serve as the outer protective case for the entire project, so it should be strong enough to hold the components safely. Next, you carefully cut and shape parts of the bottle to create enough space inside for the electronic components. In some cases, an additional piece of transparent plastic from another bottle can be used to improve structure or create internal support. The goal here is to make a safe and organized housing for the circuit and battery. After preparing the structure, you gather the main electronic components. These usually include a rechargeable lithium battery, such as the 18650 cell, and a USB power bank charging module. The battery is responsible for storing energy, while the module manages charging and output, allowing you to charge devices like smartphones. Then, the components are placed inside the bottle carefully. The battery and the circuit board must be positioned in a way that prevents movement, so they are usually fixed using tape, glue, or a simple internal holder made from plastic. Stability is important to avoid damage or short circuits. Once everything is in place, the wiring is connected between the battery and the USB charging module. This step must be done correctly so that the energy flows properly from the battery to the output port. After connecting, a quick check is done to ensure everything is working as expected. Finally, the bottle is closed and sealed properly, turning it into a compact homemade power bank. The result is a simple but interesting device that can store energy and provide emergency charging for phones. It is not meant to replace professional power banks, but it shows how everyday materials can be reused in a creative and practical way.